Today we're going to talk about eye contact and video. So, is it even important? Is it even possible? There are so many questions that I get around this topic, and what we'll go over today is that yes, it is important. There was a study by the University of Tampere in Finland this year, 2020, that showed that making eye contact, even virtually, gives us a greater feeling of connection and allows us to have a visceral response that mimics in-person eye contact. So if you are toggling between should I have my live self on video or should I just default to my avatar, then it's a clear answer. We should be on video. And another question that I get is, how can I look like I'm making eye contact while I'm on video? So you'll notice right now, it looks like we're making eye contact. And I'll show you what some common pitfalls that other people fall into when they are not looking like they're making eye contact. So you might see this, where someone's looking at their phone or typing away, or you might see, someone looking up. Maybe they're contemplating what they're going to say next. Or maybe they're looking just a little bit lower and they're looking at themselves. It's natural. It's kind of like if you were to see your reflection in someone's sunglasses, but now it's always accessible to us. So first of all, hide yourself. And if you need to put a little sticker near your camera, I like to look at the camera lens and imagine that it is someone's pupil. So it's pretty abstract, but once you practice this, you'll get the hang of it and it will become increasingly easier. So, all right, hope to see you on video soon.